What is up, guys? Alex T back in another video. Today I got a bunch of new lighting technology right in front of me. I got the Nanoleaf Smarter by Design light panels. These are the Nanoleaf shaped triangles, which means these are the light up LED triangles you guys see all over like the streams, YouTube, everything. I thought they were pretty cool, so I bought an expansion pack, another expansion pack, another one, and I got the starter kit with 7. So this is 3, 3, 3, 3, which comes to 12, and then 7 plus 12 is 19. So we have 19 panels here in total. I got them all for $10 each for each of these boxes, so I've saved $40 on this, and I saved $30 on this pack. So I saved in total like about $100 to $80, tax, everything. But yeah, we're gonna be installing all these on this wall right here. It's gonna be pretty cool and stuff because the setup's missing some stuff, and not the setup, I mean the room, because I want some more lights in here. But yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lighting panel boxes, and we're gonna be putting them up right here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. I don't have any scissors, so we're just gonna get this red pen and completely slice this tape open. So we got one right here. Then this side over here, we're just gonna put it in and slide it over. There it is. We got it open. So here's the box. We got it open, so we can have our first impressions in 3, 2, 1. There's our first impressions. So we got just some pattern designs. We could do with 4 panels, 7, 9, and 15. But since I want a little extra, we have 19 panels. We have a little manual warranty thing over here, just pretty basic of how to set it up. And over here we have our 7 starter kit. So over here we have some sticky labels that are going to be used to like connect the Nanoleafs, and then we got some other connectors. And we got one of these Nanoleaf stickers. Over here we have one of those little plugs that, like, if you want to connect them to a wall or anything. If we lift this up, we also have the smart controller that also comes with it. So yeah, that's how that works. And then over here we have another little tab. And over here is the main product. We have the triangles. But before we get that out, we have a power supply right here. And over here are our 9 triangles. So I'm just gonna get out a few now. We're gonna get out like 4 or something. Just be careful. Here's one of them. This is how it looks like. They're way bigger than I expected, but this is the front and this is the back. I have plenty of these, so yeah. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one, and here are all of them, yeah, basically. So yeah, now I'm just gonna unbox all of these other kits, and we're gonna see how much I have, and I'm gonna stack them all here, and we'll get back to that. Here is the first expansion pack box. This is our second expansion box. Here is our third expansion box right here. And finally, this is our 4th expansion pack right here. So this is everything we got over here. We got all of these mounts and stickers and accessories. Over here, this is the amount we got. Look at this. This is literally a stacks and stacks and stacks on top of Nanoleafs. We're gonna be putting them all up here. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool, and we're gonna get started right now. So I just untangled the entire power supply. Now we're gonna be putting it up all on here. In here, I have my outlet and extension cable, so I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna take it from there, plug it in, and I'm gonna run it all up and put it up here. So yeah, I have a bunch of tech stuff, but I think we could find room for that outlet, and yeah, we're gonna put it all the way up here. A little spill of Nanoleafs over here, but it's all fine since I did get the cable completely routed out through here. As you can see, we have the cable right here. This is the power supply cable. It goes all the way down, and I taped it right there, so it's gonna be a nice, even, like straight line. So I got the first adhesive pad on here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 6 connectors on this little shape. So I have the power supply. I already know what shape I'm going to be doing, but this is going to be one of the first ones. So I'll catch you back when I have the first one mounted. So I just put on the first one. This is how it looks like so far. I taped a little down there so you won't see it. But this is only one of them. One of them is already on. I didn't control anything because I'm still gonna have to set up the app. But down here, I have to put every single one of these on. There's 19 more. So I am gonna be going for a pretty nice, cool shape pattern over here that's gonna fill this entire wall. Remember, guys, I have 19. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when I have like 5 or maybe 3 or any other step. So I just got my second panel on, and it looks like each one of them turn on with this nice white color. So yeah, I'm gonna be using all these connectors. I'm gonna be connecting all of them. So I'm gonna give you guys a halfway update or anything else that pops up, maybe a problem or anything. But yeah, we're just gonna continue going. So this is the update on my Nanoleafs. I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 out of the 19 in. So almost like 2/3 of the way through. I have all those to put. Here is all the garbage, and I still have all those to put. One more over here. But yeah, I was recording and also eating food, but I don't know why it's flickering like this on camera. It's not actually doing it in real life, but as you guys see, I'm already getting a shape in. And yeah, I'm gonna catch back when I have this nearly done. I set them all up over here, and they automatically turned into all these like colors once I connected the controller to it. Here's the controller. It also took one adhesive piece to connect, and it was one of those connectors, and you just slip it on any part of this. So I decided to put it next to the cable so it won't be like weird. But here is the layout, and as well, these are touch sensitive. So wherever you touch them, they're gonna glow. So that's pretty cool. I put adhesive on all these. I did not screw them. Here's how thin it is. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I could rearrange them easily, but I prefer not to, just in case the paint on the walls comes off. But yeah, that's how it looks like. And right now I'm gonna set them on within the app and test all the different colors, all the different modes. And yeah, and we'll catch back later. So I think I got the finished product over here. So over here is the on and off button. I'm gonna turn on the lights for you guys to see better. But over here is the on and off button. Here is brightness control, so I'm gonna turn it up just for here. But look at it. This is how it changes. I have like the candle feature on right now. There's also the music reactant, so listen. Hi. So this is me listening to its voice here. I'll stop talking right now. There it is. And then there it is. That's pretty cool. And then we have the color changing feature. It's also pretty cool, and I'm gonna connect it to the app and Alexa. Just connected it to the app. So yeah, this is one of the mode colors. I'm pretty sure, hopefully it's not flickering anywhere here, but this theme is called Date Night. It's already a preset on the app. There's over 20 presets on the app, and you could also customize it. So I just kind of fully explore the app, and yeah, this is how it works. It is fully reactive, and like you can move the whole colors and everything. The build quality is pretty solid. It is very bright too. I could dim it all the way to make it like almost no color if you're trying to sleep. There's still something showing here. I'm not sure if it picks it up on camera. Maybe it will now. There it is. There's still some color, but this could actually be used as a full lighting resource if you don't have any lights. It literally lights up your entire room. It doesn't look like it. And I also cleaned off the desk, and I put the Alexa over here. So the cables are pretty well managed down here. So this is the power supply, and this is the Alexa. So yeah, guys, here it is mounted. I hope you guys enjoy the video. It looks pretty cool. This is my bed over here. So you can lay down. This is how it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you all in another video.